Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and this is the Squalane Plus Phytoretinol Serum. We've all heard of retinol, and we know it's an amazing anti-aging ingredient. But have you heard of bakuchiol? Bakuchiol is actually my new favorite ingredient because it's a plant-derived alternative to retinol. When I'm using this, I actually feel and see a difference in my skin. Traditional retinol can be effective, but for some, actually a lot of people, it can cause redness, irritation, dryness, flakiness, so it's not always a good option. Bakuchiol actually has proven results to give you the same effects as traditional retinol, but without those side effects. Another ingredient is niacinamide. That's vitamin B3, which helps to fight against dull skin. I really notice a difference in my overall complexion and a much more even skin tone when I use this. In a routine, a serum is great after an eye cream, but before a moisturizer. You really only need 1 to 2 pumps. I massage it in my hands. I love the texture. It's more of a lotion than a sticky serum. It's not thin, it won't dry your skin out. You actually feel really hydrated after you use this. And then I use pressing motions into my forehead, my cheeks, my neck, my chest. It feels incredible. It absorbs so quickly into my skin. I love that I can use this both in the morning and in the evening. There's nothing in here to cause sun sensitivity, so I can wear it in the morning and go outside in the sun, and there's no problems. It's normal to see changes as we age, but with good skincare, you have amazing tools in your pocket to start preventing or correcting those signs of concern.